Right, something a little bit different today. It's a railway set. It's 7834 Level Crossing from, it's 1981 if you check the catalogues, but Britlink says it's 1980, so don't know what they're talking about. I'm going with the catalogues. I've got a 1981 catalogue that says new in 1981, so I'm going with that one. Right, let's build this level crossing, see how quickly we can do it. Not faffing around this time. Well, we've got a lot of these to put in, so I'm going to do that to start with. And build a little bit around it. So I want in blue, very blue this one. Does it go in there? No, 2 in. And that's it there, isn't it? Right, and leave a space for 4 there. And I want a 4, a 4, and an 8. There's a dog's nose in there as well. And another one of these 2x2 yellow plates. Round as well. There's an axle hole. Grey 1x2 brick. On to the next one. I haven't got the box or instructions for this, so it's off a PDF from Toys Period. I'd have thought Period Toys make more sense, but anyway. I know, Monty agrees. Let's put there's control panel in there. I found one of those in my stock. It's very nice condition. Look at that. Pretty plates. 3 blue 6s. 1, 3. And 1 and a 1. He's got 2 chairs, one inside and one outside. Not quite sure what that is. But anyway, we'll put it in. Yellow. Right. Strange. Right, let's build up the sides now. We want a 2 there. And what's that, 6 at the back? 1, 8, no, another 8. I think I'll start putting the windows in now. Let's build up a bit more, 2. 2. Varying shades of blue here. Some are a bit green, some are still quite blue. Two, 4. Don't know why there's loads of 8s, no idea, but they haven't. And right, doors and windows time, there we go. Right, there's the door. On the front. 2 more 2s. And an 8. Right, we have white windows with white panes. Get these in, quick as we can. 1. Oh, nearly broke it then. Yeah, creak there. 2. Another one. 1. No, not going in. Got it. There it is. I haven't got many railway things. I've got one of the stations from about the early 80s, about like 81 I think. But my brother decided to keep that. So, to be fair, I've kept some of his sets, so probably about fair. He's obsessed with the trains, I'm not that fussed, but I will get some more at some point. But I built this because basically I was just looking at sets because I get bored and got anything to build. I was looking at some and I realised I could virtually make this out of everything I had in my stock. Only a few bits missing. I think it's basically the crossing barriers and a few bits of track, and that was about it. Let's start building the roof up now. 1, 2, and then another 2 of these. Come on, get on there. Get. Two. Let me use some 2s as well. These varying degrees of colours, aren't they? Oh, it's much darker that middle one, isn't it? 2. Oh, it doesn't matter. Real life tiles are slightly different colours, aren't they? A 1x4 going in, and gonna drop that in there. So let's not. Okay, next one. We're on number 8 now. 2, 3, 4. Let's whack that on there. Can see what we're doing. Yeah, that's very dark, that one. I might actually change it if I've got any others, because it sticks out a bit, but anyway. Same break at the end of the day. Next. Right, I don't know. Is that one better? That's better, isn't it? Oh, that's one of those smooth ones, isn't it, really? Yeah, I'll keep that. Oh, so is that one? Oh, I've got it. Two and a 2 on the end, right. Off to number 10. Right, that's the hut itself done, and then we've got to put these sleepers down. And it is handy from the edge. 1, 2, 3, 8 from the edge. So that's useful because they're 8s. So we just go there, there. That one and that one, I think. Precarious place for a crossing there. Don't know whether you use a board that hasn't got a cross on it. Maybe more sense. Right, there's the actual plate for the level crossing. Just goes nicely in there. And we've got to put these on here. Barriers to rest on. They're both the same side then, obviously. And we'll do it as 12 because 12A or 12 the last one, but you can decide whether or not you want to put the electric contacts in, and we'll do that. So we need some level crossing signs, which are there. And there you go, 2 from there, 2 from there. We'll put it another way, but that's strange, why is it 2 from there? Who cares, don't they? Slightly out of proportion, that, but anyway, it's fine. Put a big tree there. Now that's a nice, decent condition, that one, look. I got it in a job lot off eBay for £15, which had other stuff in it, but the main reason I wanted it was just for the tree, because they gave for about 15 quid by themselves. So that was a bit of a steal. Right, barriers are on, and build the chap that works. So let's put him on his chair. Here he comes. Oh, I've got the wrong hat there. sure you've got a red hat. What have I got there? No, I'll change the hat. I've got a red hat on him now, but I'm going to change it in a minute. Oh. You've got a blue. I've got a blue one. And so you get this bit for push along train. We're going to put electrical ones in. That doesn't run on there, is it? I'm trying to get these bits of bloody track on here. Look at this. That one and one more. There you go. And they're the connector plates, those ones. I'm going to put them together first, actually, it might be easier. Yeah. I've got to get his blue hat and change it in a minute, as you'll see on the photograph for the thumbnail. But there it is, it's 7834 level crossing, and